कुठ्ठाळी मतदारसंघात तात्पुरती गटारां बांदपाचें काम अजून चालू आसा. पावस लागीं पावलो तरी अजून ही कामां तशींच आशिल्ल्यान लोक चाळवल्यात. लोकांनी थळावी आमदार आलिना साल्दानाक आंदोलन करपाची म्हायती दिल्या. आमदार साल्दानान कुठ्ठाळे चालू आशिल्ल्या कामाची पळोवणी केली आनी तें काम बेगीनाच पुराय करपाची अभियंत्याक समज दिल्या.
Now today I had actually come thinking that I would see some drains, but I see some work right over there which I am told has to be dismantled because it's not properly done, and what they are going to do now is a temporary drain right from Kortaling Cross Junction to Kortaling Circle, okay, around I think 400 meters. The drainage will be provided to ensure that the waters do not enter the houses, because there are houses, there are shops, there are people on either side of the road, so this has to be done. Now I have been ensured by CBL engineers that this work will be completed before the 20th. Actually he said he needs 4 days to complete the work, but the date given to us for completion is 20th. The work is starting tonight at 9:30, and I will be here to check whether the work is really starting. Okay, so from tonight the work will start. It will go on right up to the 20th, where the work of putting these temporary drains will be done to ensure that there will be no flooding once the monsoons set in.
What is this temporary nalla all about?
See, now this temporary nallas, what I have been told by the engineers is that for them to put definite and permanent drains, they need to know the flow of the waters. They have to be very definite about the direction of the flow of waters. For that, they will have to study the flow of the waters during the monsoon. So therefore, they are putting these temporary drains, and once they are sure that the flow of the water, the direction of the flow of water is well known and definite, they will then go to...
काम करपी अभियंत्यान 4 दिसांनी काम पुराय करपाचें आश्वासन आमदार आलिना साल्दानाक दिलां. दिल्ल्या वेळा भितर पुराय जालें ना जाल्यार लोक आंदोलन करतले आनी तांचे बरोबर आपणाक रावचें पडटलें अशी शिटकावणी आलिना साल्दानान दिल्या.
All the people will come and sit on the road, and the people have already told me, and I won't blame them if they do that. I'm not saying they should do that. I don't want to give wrong advice to people, but they can't help it. And if people have to agitate, then I will join them, because time and again we are telling the authorities concerned, the contractor, that this work has to be time bound.